Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to actually show the menu bar filter in our Visual Studio Code editor. So in our last tutorial, we saw there was a menu bar option here along the top, and then we've hidden that by unchecking the menu bar option, which was previously here in our Visual Studio Code editor, and it's shown there by default. Now that it's hidden, to actually reverse that and bring it back, we can go to our right-hand side and click on this three lines option, go to File, we'll go down here to View, and then we'll go to the third option here called Appearance, and then we'll recheck Menu Bar. This will then bring back the menu bar here along the top. We can now see the five options here along the top, which is shown by default when you first install Visual Studio Code Editor. So there you have it. This is how you can bring back your menu bar that's showing along the top if you have hidden it previously for your Visual Studio Code Editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.